Our friend Ranveer Alabadia today gave a very profound tweet for us. A profound thought that he put out into the world. And he's like, take it. Profound. Left wing thinks I'm right wing. Right wing thinks I'm left wing. Truth, I'm a being in temporary human clothing, standing on a fireball, flying around another fireball in space. I'm here for a brief moment in time and I wish to gain moksha in this life. So this part, if you put like nice music behind it, no, it becomes a nice motivational Instagram reel. I'm a being in temporary human clothing, standing on a fireball, flying around another fireball in space. I'm here for a brief moment in time and I wish to gain moksha in this life. Like Carl Sagan level की बातें कर रहे हैं sir. Sorry, I didn't want to insult Carl Sagan. But so fun, na? These guys. You know, the funny thing about this is that these are people who don't have the courage and conviction to take a stand, right? They're like, oh no, I don't know. Am I this or am I that? Do I support this or do I support that? They can't take a call on this because conviction nahi hai, right? So they end up siding with the authority, right? By default. Aloo? काय झालं आलू? Already? No, I was talking about this guy. He's a fence sitter, right? He's a fence sitter. Imagine like beer biceps sitting like Spider-Man on a fence. And this side is grass and this side is I don't know what else is there. Like this is red grass and blue grass. He's like, I'm not going to be red grass or blue grass, right? Now if red grass is in power, the people of red grass are in power, you know what they do? They change the fence. They bring the fence to their territory. That's what they do. So these fence sitters who are just sitting there, no, I'm not like here or there. Their fence has moved, whether they like it or not. The conversation has moved, the environment has moved. अब तुम्हारे आजू बाजू में सब red grass है and you're still like, अरे I'm not taking the side. Green grass has gone like a kilometer away. And you're like, अरे I'm no, please beer bicep. क्यों इतना profound होने की कोशिश करते हो sir? He didn't stop there by the way. Look at this. For our benefit, he gave us a visual representation of his political opinion. This is a visual representation of political opinion. Chat, let us interpret. What do you see? What do you see? I see a cult. I don't know about you. I see a cult. I see a dude in the middle who I think Beer Biceps thinks who he is. And then there are like a bunch of hooded followers. It looks like Death Eaters. So fascism? I don't know. Makes sense. His political representation makes sense. RSS cult, हाँ मैं बोला ना ये बीच में Voldemort बैठा है और आजू बाजू there are Death Eaters that are dancing. It looks like that. It looks a little bit like theocratic authoritarianism, right? See, there is like this giant tree. This guy is like enlightened. A light is coming out, so that's a symbol of this man being different than the others. Shakti, Andruni Shakti. Ooh. And then which makes other people worship him like cult-like behavior. And what are they doing? They're Death Eaters. If they were normal people, they would be just like half naked dancing around. I don't know. They wouldn't be wearing hoods, right? Hoods makes it a little sus. क्यों चाहिए ऐसे dark क्यों दिखना है? Beer Biceps, you're perfect. I think in his innocent little brain, he basically decided to tell you what he really thinks. So appreciated. At least he's honest. थोड़ा सा abstract honest, but he is. Yeah. ये आर्टवर्क पक्का राजीव मल्होत्रा के व्हाट्सएप से लिया है. Nothing, just Ranveer trying to bring spirituality into everything. Yeah, that's true. That's his shtick. And also Yetis. Let's not forget spirituality and Yetis. This looks like the scenes from old movie where witchcraft and black magic is going on. Exactly, yeah. इनका हो क्या रहा है पता है friends? Like what is happening to these fence sitting but actually right wing content creators? I would say Abhi and you are also in the sort of the same category. They sit on the fence. Then sometimes they get down because पैसा मिल रहा है or something, access मिल रहा है, whatever red grass they'll touch. Then they'll get back on the fence when some people start calling them out, saying कि ए तू तो fence से उतर गया, देख fence, they got down from the fence. They're now on the red grass. Then they're like, no, we're getting back. So then they come back on the fence. Dear Meghnad, you're a bully. I'm a bully? What? Wait, I'm punching up. Don't do this. I'm punching up. I'm punching up. No, 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 no. Dhruv Rathi is the bully. Please, all bully allegations should be directed at Dhruv Rathi.